In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record spending, including transactions, bills, and payments in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through two of the most common ways your money flows out of the business: recording an expense and entering a bill. Understanding the difference is important. An expense is usually something you've already paid for, like swiping your card or writing a check. A bill is something you'll pay later, which lets QuickBooks track what you owe. Let's start with recording an expense. In QuickBooks Online, go to the plus new button at the top of the page. From the menu, choose either expense or check, depending on how you paid. The form you see next is where you tell QuickBooks the story of this purchase. First, choose the payee. This is the vendor or person you paid, like a supplier, a utility company, or a contractor. Next, select the payment account you used. This might be your checking account, a credit card, or another bank account you've set up. Make sure you pick the correct one so your bank balances stay accurate. Enter the date of the transaction, matching the date on your receipt, bank statement, or check. Then, move down to the category details section. Here, choose the expense category from your chart of accounts that best describes what you bought, such as office supplies, utilities, or advertising. This is what drives your reports later, so take a moment to pick the right one. If that one payment covered several types of expenses, you can split it across multiple categories. Just add another line and choose a different category for each part of the amount. This is helpful for things like a big store purchase where you bought both supplies and equipment. When everything looks right, review the total, then save the transaction. Now, let's record a bill, which is used when you receive something now but will pay for it later. Again, click the plus new button, and this time select Bill. Start by choosing the vendor who sent you the bill. Then enter the bill date, which is the date shown on the document, and the due date so QuickBooks can track when payment is expected. Add the bill number if there is one. This helps you match payments to the correct bill and avoid duplicates. In the category details section, select the correct expense category, just like you did with expenses. You can also add a memo if you want extra context, such as what the bill is for or a project it relates to. Finally, attach a receipt or any supporting files so everything is stored in one place. When you're done, save the bill, and QuickBooks will track it as an amount you owe until you record the payment.